Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're creating a breathtaking mountain landscape on a black canvas, a peaceful, winding road leading through lush green. Valleys toward a towering mountain, all illuminated by the warm glow of a spectacular sunset. This painting is all about creating depth, atmosphere, and dramatic lighting using simple acrylic techniques. To begin, I paint the upper portion of the canvas with a bright sky blue using a flat brush. Then, starting from the horizon, I blend a warm orange upward into the blue. To create a smooth and natural transition between the two colors, I soften the edge with a little white, allowing the sky to glow with the beautiful colors of sunset. Next, I mix blue, red, and a touch of black to create a deep, cool tone for the main mountain. I paint its bold triangular shape on one side of the composition, making it the dominant focal point of the landscape. The hills and mountains in the foreground are blocked in using a rich, dark green, establishing the overall structure of the valley. To make the sunset even more vibrant, I apply another thin layer of orange near the horizon, increasing its brightness and transparency. Toward the top of the sky, I gradually shift the color into soft shades of purple, giving the evening sky a richer and more dramatic atmosphere. Using a mixture of yellow, red, and a hint of blue, I create a muted, dark color for the clouds. I paint small, scattered clouds across the sky, then brighten their lower edges with warm, glowing highlights where they're catching the last rays of sunlight. For the distant mountain ranges, I use colors similar to those in the clouds to create beautiful, atmospheric perspective. I softly lighten the lower portions of each mountain layer so they separate naturally from one another and create a convincing sense of distance. Now I return to the main mountain. By carefully adding darker shadows and lighter highlights, I begin sculpting its rocky form. On the opposite side of the composition, I paint another mountain to frame the valley and guide the viewer's eye toward the glowing sunset in the distance. Soft gray and slightly violet highlights are added to the mountain faces, along with subtle streaks of reflected evening light that emphasize the rugged texture of the cliffs. For the rolling hills in the foreground, I mix a vibrant mossy green using yellow, red, and just a touch of blue. Starting from the distant hills, I build the landscape layer by layer. As each layer comes closer to the viewer, I gradually make the colors brighter, warmer, and more detailed. I intentionally leave portions of the original dark underpainting visible between the highlights. These darker areas create natural shadows and help reveal the beautiful contours and rolling shapes of the hills. The hills on the opposite side receive cooler blue-green highlights to show that they're sitting in shadow, creating a pleasing balance between warm sunlight and cool shade. The nearest bushes and trees are painted with much brighter greens and sharper details, making them stand out clearly against the softer background and adding even more depth to the scene. Now it's time to paint the winding mountain road in the foreground. Using a mixture of gray tones, I carefully establish its graceful curve as it disappears into the valley. Along both sides of the road, I paint clusters of grasses and small bushes that frame the composition naturally. To capture the warmth of the sunset, I softly add subtle golden reflections across the surface of the road, suggesting the evening light shining across the asphalt. Next, I paint the roadside guardrail. I begin with a dark brown base, then use a fine liner brush to add lighter highlights along the rails and posts, giving them dimension and making them appear realistic. Finally, I paint the white road markings that gently lead the viewer's eye toward the distant mountains. Using the liner brush once again, I continue building the grasses along the roadside, adding lighter and lighter layers to create rich texture and a realistic natural appearance. The final touch is the glowing sun itself. Using bright, warm yellows and soft oranges, I place the setting sun near the horizon, allowing its light to become the heart of the composition and unify the entire landscape with a peaceful golden glow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to paint next. Until our next painting adventure, take care, stay creative, and happy painting.